Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a video on the bits important for the topic Indian Constitution, which will be helpful for the upcoming Group 2 exams. So hope the video will be useful to you all. So here are few questions. So the first question is, when was the Indian Constitution adopted by the Constituent Assembly? The answer is in November 2006, 1949. The next question is, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the chairman of the drafting committee that created the constitution. He was a key player in the Constituent Assembly's debates. He presented the final text of the constitution to the Constituent Assembly. The next question, on which day does India celebrate Constitution Day? So the answer is November 26th. It is celebrated every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. The next question is, before being recognized as Constitution Day, what was November 26 known as in India? The answer is Law Day. So the Constitution Day is also known as National Law Day, and it is celebrated on November 26 every year. The next question, who led the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? So it is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The drafting committee was appointed by the Constituent Assembly on August 29, 1947. The next question, when did Indian Constitution came into effect? So the answer is on January 26, 1950. The next question is, how many elected members were there in the Constituent Assembly that adopted the Indian Constitution? So the answer is 299. As a result of partition under the Mountbatten Plan of 3rd June 1947, it was reduced to 299. Next question, who was the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? So it's again Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The next question, in which year did the Union government declare November 26th as a Constitution Day? So it's in the year 2015. The next, which committee fine-tuned the initial draft of the Indian Constitution? So it's drafting committee. This committee presented a draft constitution that was published for the public discussion. The next question, the original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. He was the calligrapher of the Indian Constitution. The next question, what is the significance of Constitution Day in India? So the answer is acknowledging and upholding the constitutional values. 13th question, the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution is related to official Indian languages. Next question, when did the drafting committee publish the first draft of the Indian Constitution? So it published on February 1948. The next question, the original copies of the Indian Constitution written in which language? So the Indian Constitution was written in both Hindi and English languages. The next question, how many seats in the Lok Sabha are reserved for the scheduled tribes? So it's 47. Before it was 41, so it increased to 47. The next question, who was the chairman of the Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities, and Tribal and Excluded Areas of the Constitution Assembly of India? The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The next question, the federal nature of the Indian Constitution was adopted from the Constitution of Canada. The next question, which article of the Indian Constitution declares that the Supreme Court shall be a court of record? So the answer is Article 129. Next question, the preamble of the Constitution was prepared by Pandit Nehru. Next question, the last paragraph of the preamble indicates that the Constitution is a self-enacted and self-imposed constitution. Next question, the 44th Amendment of the Constitution speaks of the right to property as no longer a fundamental right. The next question, the most controversial provision in the 42nd Constitutional Amendment is primacy to the directive principles over fundamental rights. The next question, the President of India has the same constitutional authority as? Actually, the correct answer is British monarch. So by mistake, the answer got wrong. Next question, which state first introduced 50% reservation for women in the local body elections? The correct answer is Bihar. Next question, which article speaks about international peace and amity? The answer is article number 51. The next question, the zonal councils which aim at ensuring cooperation among various states are created by the States Reorganization Act 1956. Next question, who was the first chairman of the Planning Commission? So the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, the constitutional head of the Union is the President. Next question, how can a citizen protect his fundamental rights? The answer is by writ in the Supreme Court of India. The next question, who is not appointed by the President? The Chief Ministers of the states. Next question, what does Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantee? It guarantees right to life and personal liberty. Next question, what does Article 370 of the Indian Constitution pertain to? The answer is a special provision for Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18? The answer is 61st Amendment. Next question, the directive principles of the state policy are enshrined in which part of the Constitution? The answer is Part 4. So apart from these bits, we can also refer about the fundamental rights, directive principles, preamble, the powers of President, Prime Minister, and other topics which are related to the Indian Constitution. Hope this video is helpful to all. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.